Hello, my name's Ella and I'm here to talk to you about digital object identifiers. So first of all, I'm going to start by giving you a brief introduction into what they are. Digital object identifiers, or DOIs, are a unique set of characters arranged in a certain syntax that identifies any type of electronic work. This could be scientific journals, journal articles, or even artwork. It is fixed. It doesn't change like a URL where you have to make sure the link is not broken. So a DOI stays the same. Here is an example of a DOI. You can find them on the front of an online document or article with the copyright information, and also in online references. Looking closely at the syntax of the DOI, the prefix is the unique naming authority, whereas the suffix may be an existing identifier or ISBN, and can be as long as you want. There are no limits. So, how are DOIs used? To resolve a DOI, you can go straight to the website www.doi.org, or you can simply enter the DOI coding at the end of the website like this. It takes you straight to the abstract of the article and will direct you straight to the original site. So, how do publishers use them? The publisher assigns a DOI when an article is published and made available electronically. Publishers apply them to digital content published online, as well as to online reference physical content such as print books and other physical products. It uniquely identifies these objects and provides permanent links to the publisher and to any related services the publisher wants to enable, therefore facilitating online transactions of all kinds, including e-commerce, rights management, and digital distribution. The DOI travels with the item it's registered to throughout the internet, on partner sites, and via downloads. As long as the user is connected to the web, the DOI multi-link functionality is fully searchable and remains in existence until the registrant reassigns them or shuts them off. Within the publishing industry, DOIs are used predominantly for citations and academic publishing. The DOI system is implemented through a group of registration agencies coordinated by the International DOI Foundation, which developed and controls the system. Publishers have to pay to register with relevant agencies to use this DOI system, but luckily it's not too expensive. Registration agencies provide services to registrants. These services include allocating prefixes, registrating DOI names, and providing the necessary infrastructure to allow registrants to use the DOI system. A registration agency can be considered as a module of the DOI system. New RAs can be added at any time, allowing modular growth of the system by adding new communities of users and providing tailored services for them. DOIs are also used by the EU Publishing Office, who report on EU activity. Another system which uses DOIs is the ISBN-A system, which identifies an ISBN using a DOI. The ISBN is included in the syntax string for the DOI. Publishers' internal systems and bibliographical agency databases use ISBNs as the key identifier. Introducing additional identifiers adds complexity, cost, and potentially confusion. It therefore makes sense to continue using the ISBN as a principal identifier for digital publications, rather than add a new number. By including the ISBN in the DOI syntax in a standard way, a DOI is obtained which is derived from an ISBN. The ISBN International Agency and the International DOI Foundation have agreed a way of doing this. Another example of how ISBNs are used with DOIs is on Google Book Search, as once a user discovers a title within Book Search, they get access to information and services related to that title, selected and updated by the publisher himself, simply by clicking on the ISBN-A. So, to summarise, DOIs are a fast, convenient and legal way to find and share an original piece of work in digital form. Benefits of implementing the DOI system including facilitating internal content management and enabling faster, more scalable product development by delivering 4 key advantages in making it easier and cheaper to know what you have, as users are able to look at catalogues of content available, find what you want, as users are able to search and browse for content to be used or repurposed, know where it is, as users are able to see where the item exists within the organisation, and be able to get to it, as users and production tools are able to retrieve the content. So overall, DOIs are also unbreakable, multi-linkable, dynamic, industry standard, and inexpensive. Thank you for listening. For more information on DOIs, please visit www.doi.org for the glossary of terms, handbook, and other fact sheets.